Have you ever been rejected so hard it made you question everything? Maybe it was a job interview that went nowhere. Maybe it was someone you liked who never texted back. Or maybe it was friends, family, or society telling you you're not good enough. But here's the truth. Rejection is a secret weapon disguised as a curse. If you know how to use it, it can become your ultimate advantage. In this video, we'll break down 7 powerful lessons on how to turn rejection into success. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Rejection is redirection. Rejection isn't the end. It's a sign pointing you somewhere better. Didn't get the job? You dodged a toxic workplace? Rejected by someone? You saved your energy. Reverse tip. Instead of feeling defeated, get curious. Ask, where is this trying to redirect me? Lesson 2. Rejection exposes who's worth your time. When someone rejects you, they reveal the truth. A company that rejects you, they didn't see your value. A person who isn't interested, they're not your person. Reverse tip. See rejection as proof of who belongs in your life. Lesson 3. The one who walks away has power. Begging lowers your value. Walking away increases it. If someone pulls away, pull away more. If an opportunity slips, act like you never needed it. Reverse tip. Stay calm and detached. Power belongs to those who need less. Lesson 4. Rejection fuels greatness. Every success story starts with rejection. Michael Jordan was cut from his team. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers. Reverse tip. Turn rejection into a comeback story. Lesson 5. Rejection builds mental toughness. Rejection thickens your skin. Want confidence? Get rejected on purpose. Want to improve? Ask for harsh feedback. Reverse tip. See rejection as mental weightlifting. Every no makes you stronger. Lesson 6. Rejection makes you desirable. People want what they can't have. Too available, overlooked, unbothered, irresistible. Reverse tip. React with indifference. Rejection is an illusion. Lesson 7. The rejected rise. If they don't quit, the only people who stay rejected are the ones who quit. Every underdog story starts with rejection. Every success story comes from someone who didn't stop. Reverse tip. Play the long game. Let success be your revenge. Rejection is a gift if you use it. Next time you're rejected, don't get angry, get better. Next time a door closes, find a bigger door. Next time someone underestimates you, smile, walk away, and win. If you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe. Stay strong, stay stoic.